Hello my people, I greet the full house from untouchable mama. Also now they fine. Now do well my people, as una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una well. My people, most of una don still see this video. I just bring am for those wey never see am, wey never hear wetin dem talk about this video, make dem for lis ten. This video wey una dey see so na the friend of this late Osifo. Una know the Chidinma side chick. So this is friends come talk about wetin happen that very day wey e dey call am, wey the man no reply to his call. He say na person, because you know say if you dey follow person don dey waka, you must know the way take dey behave. You will know wetin e go fit do, wetin e no go fit do, because if you don be friend of somebody for long time, no, you go don understand that person. So this man say on Monday of before that thing happen, he come dey call him friend. He dey usually dey call am, maybe dey go him house, make dem for open gate say I dey come, no, where dem dey stay, say na Lekki area. So he say he come call am, he don call am reach 15 times. Osifo no reply. He say and Osifo na that kind person, if you call am, if you get your missed call, he go call you back. Una know say some people be like that. If you call am say see your missed call, he go reply you back, say sorry and see where I dey, na make am, you know, that kind thing. He say as he call, he no reply. He call the thing say maybe he get wetin he dey do, or he get where he put his phone. Say he go call am back as a friend, na person wey fit dey call you back. He say so he no call am back, so he come reach the Lekki where he dey go for him house for there. As he reach there, na he come ask the gate man say where Osifo. Say the gate man come tell am say na since on Sunday na he comot for house, say dem no hear of am. Say the thing come surprise am, say no be that kind person wey dey leave phone say he no go reply person if person call am. Say he come go office. When he reach office, na say na dem come talk say he send message come give dem. He say okay, he come tell dem say okay, make dem bring the message wey he send come. He come see the message, say no be him friend go send this kind message. Now you know, if you dey do something, if you don dey follow person as I talk am, you must know the way that person take dey do something. You must know the behavior, the kind message wey you go send to you, the way you know say some people dey sabi dey play well dem dey send you message. Some go send you like a some go send you something like that. He say when you come see this message, now you come talk say this message no come from a friend, no be Osifo send this message. You no believe say na Osifo na him send this message. You know they send this kind of message. You understand? So my people, I pray make dem see wetin really happen to this man. They even talk am say the way dem take see the Osifo body, the way dem take tie him hand, tie him leg, that girl, that Chidinma, no be only Chidinma do that kind thing. As for me, this one wey me want talk, so na my own opinion, there is something under, and that thing e go come out, because me dey talk am say since when this thing happen, 21 years old girl, even though say you take something wey e move you, wey you be, no, you no fit. Na man na man, my people, man na man. Even though say na you be people wey dey do all this sport, man na be man get power like that. Man get power pass woman. Talk about say 21 years old girl, you go tie him hand, tie him leg, you go no, my people, there is something under. I pray make dem see everything wey make dem try, make dem do everything, make dem see wetin really happen. May I put the video, more than lis ten to wetin dem talk. God bless you.
I spoke to him last on Monday at about 9 p.m. It was a public holiday. So on Tuesday, I was on my way to his house in Banana Island in Ikoyi. When I left my house, I started calling him. And Osifo is somebody that if he misses your call, he calls you back immediately. I was calling him before, from VGC to maybe Lekki Phase 1. I called maybe like 6-7 times. He did not pick his call. He did not call me back. Then this was about maybe 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Then at about between Lekki Phase 1 to Banana Gate, I called maybe like another 15 times because I would need a code to get into the estate. So when I got to the gate, he still was not picking, so I called somebody else to give me a code. So I entered the estate. When I got to his house, I didn't even enter from the gate because there's a transparent gate. I saw that the Hilux his Toyota Hilux was in the front of the house, but the Range Rover was not there. So I called his PA, where is Usifo. He said that he came to Banana that morning. The cook told him Usifo went out, left the house on Sunday, and was not back at that Tuesday morning. So I said, okay, have you asked Rahman, one of his business partner, and have you asked Rahman? He said Rahman said the same thing, that he has been calling him. He has not picked up his phone till that time, but he sent a message. So I was like, okay. So I said, okay, maybe when he's ready, he will call me back. I now got to VGC. I now met Gambo and the partner, Rahman. I said, show me the messages. So they showed me. And I said, God, one, he's not a message person. He's a talking person. The English they use here, you see, if I won't use this kind of English to reply, something is wrong. I don't think this is Usifu. So we now decided that, okay, in the morning, the next day, we'll try and do a search.
Usifu is the third son in a family of 4. He has 2 elder brothers and a younger sister, and his siblings, they all live abroad. And Usifu grew up as a child who was raised by very good parents in a Christianly manner, and he's a guy who's always had business in his DNA. He's always liked to do business. But what I'll tell you about Usifu is that Usifu is very respectable. Usifu will never hurt a fly. Usifu loves people. Usifu goes beyond the immediate family to know his cousins, to know his uncles. I've had the very regrettable privilege of seeing that dead body 5 times. My cousin's hands were tied so badly that the rope entered his skin. The rope is right there as an exhibit with the police. That binding could not have been done by that lady alone. Not possible. Even if he was drugged, it is not possible, because I saw the lady and I saw my cousin. I said, this is not possible. Apart from the fact that he was tied, there were multiple stabs on his body. That is correct. Multiple. So that story of 2 stabs and neck is not true. He was stabbed in other places. His leg. In fact, in Yaba mortuary, the attendants were so dramatic that they told us clearly, the stabbing here was so bad that it's a hole. The guy stuck his 2 fingers into my cousin's body in my presence. I am serious. The Doppler vein, he was stabbed here deliberately. So whether he was just stabbed on the neck, no, he was stabbed on the Doppler vein twice. He was stabbed on his body multiply.